So I have my hair scissors, hair shears, whatever you call them, and the jeans that I thrifted from the thrift store. So I didn't like initially how the bottom of the shorts looked, so I took my scissors to try to distress them a little bit more and pull out any thread that I just wanted to pull out to see how it would look. And be mindful of how sharp these shears are, because I almost cut myself. And then once I was satisfied, I go to the other side. And this side, I kind of was happy with how it looked so far, so I just did some minor tweaks. Again, pulling out the thread so that when it goes into the washer and the dryer, the washer and dryer kind of does everything else for you. So now I flip my pants over and I'm taking my scissors to make my initial slit. I put my hand through the pants so that I can feel where the scissors are going and making sure that I don't cut through the front part of the pants. And I'm trying to do the pockets. The pockets are of I want to say thicker material, so it was kind of hard to make that initial split, but once I did it, it was easy from there on. And I'm mostly eyeballing where I want these slits to go. I really have no true vision for this, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it, see, hey, what will look cute, what will not. And I've made my initial slits in the back pocket. So now I flipped my pants over and I'm going at the front again. And I'm making sure I know where the pocket of the pants is, pulling it out so I don't cut it. And now again, I'm making an initial slit. I didn't like how that slit was, so I went back and kind of made it longer. And I'm just going about eyeballing an inch under that initial slit to make another slit. And then going about another inch or two below that to make my last slit. So now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. side, I actually made 4 slits. You can't really tell right now, but some of the slips kind of show the pocket, which you will see later when I finish. So I made a mistake, but I like the way it came out, so. And now I'm just going back to flip it over and check out the back to see if I like the way it looks. I'm not trying to do anything too high because remember, someone's supposed to wear these pants. So I didn't make the slits too high because I didn't want someone's backside to be showing, so. And I was satisfied, and now it's time to go into the wash. So I washed them, and now they are distressed. I love the way they look. Even though one side has some high slits, I didn't mind how they came out. I preferably actually roll the jeans. I didn't like how they looked without rolling like the bottom, so I did that. And there you have it. Distressed jeans made by yours truly. And they're posted on my Depop shop right now, and the link will be in the description. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend. Catch you later.